Hey vlog. New vlog? Have I vlogged? Hello, welcome back to another week. I was gonna vlog all day, but I worked till like 1 a.m. I went to bed at 2. So I was really tired all morning. But now we're going out for dinner and drinkies. So I'll bring you along. This is my fit check. Because I know you're interested. Just on the vlog, my fit. You're matching me.
Not quite.
Not quite. So we did nothing exciting today, so sorry I didn't show you. But yeah, that's my story, pretty much. Hey guys, Monday morning, working today. Boring. I'm just gonna make some eggs for breakfast. We don't have any milk, so we can't have coffee. Lucky's lunch. I've got a Depop order that I need to ship after work, so don't let me forget. Because it's day 5, so I've got to ship it. Ready? 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 Achoo. It's freaking 5 o'clock. That day, oh, what a day. Let me tell you something. What a day. We had a day. Worked till 3:15 and then I got home and changed and went to the post office and the grocery store. I forgot to film. So sorry. Just picture me at the grocery store. I didn't want it because it was too busy. But I'll do a little haul for you. I don't know if I've mentioned this, but we're having a second week break from the cleanse because we didn't order the supplements to start it the next round. So in that case, I did some fun groceries. Mostly still good. I got some kombuchas because Lockie likes to take those to work. I got him coconut yogurt. And I got goat cheese like normal. A big kombucha just to have at home. Let's do it like that. I got tin tomato, which has been an awesome one. And then I got some not cleanse friendly things. Like I got some pesto because we had on our eggs this morning. I was like, pesto would hit with this, with parmesan and eggs. So I got some of that to have tomorrow. And then I got these little yogurts. They're organic and they have like added probiotics or whatever. So 1 billion probiotics. And the sweetener is monk fruit. So it's actually really good. Besides the fact that it's got rice starch in it though. Is that Dad? Loveland's home. Yes, I got one of each flavour, strawberry, vanilla and blueberry. I got this pumpkin gnocchi from Coles that I really like. I just got normal yogurt for myself because I was sick of spending, like, it's just so expensive for the coconut yogurt. So I got this, the Chobani Fit one, just for this week. So I can make like little yogurt bowls for breakfast. I got vanilla ice cream and cookie pies because they're my favourite things ever. So that's this week's treat because I'm working so much. And then some milk. And that's what I got. Is that Dad? Archie, is that Dad? Go. Goodness gracious. So yeah, that's what I got. We're just having mince for dinner tonight. Drop my sock. He's taking my sock. Ah, what are you doing? Say hi to the camera. Yeah, good boy. Yeah. Cute. Yes, I was having the mince that I cooked on Saturday, which is awesome because I don't feel like cooking. I don't feel like doing anything. I just made some gnocchi to go with the mince. Yeah, that's what we're having for dinner, everyone. Very exciting stuff. Good morning. Oh no, it's good. My battery's gonna die. I better plug it in so I can film tonight. We're just having breakfast. Ching! Some yogurt. Yeah, that's all I have to say. I'm going to work. So I'll see you this afternoon. got picked up from work. I quickly got changed, and now we're going to the coast. All three of us, little family afternoon beach trip. Fun.
Yeah.
Yep, and Lockie bought me GYG. So, what a freaking guy. Yeah, so now we're just gonna drive only an hour. That's a good one to Harbour Town. Yep. Anything you have to say? Anything about the van you want to say to the people?
No, except for it's a good one.
That's all you need to know.
That's all you need to know.
That's all you need to know. It's a good one. I'm excited to see it. I'll show you guys. This little man. Where's he gone? Where's Dad? Look, he's just gone to find the guy we're buying the van off. That's it. That's the van. It's friggin' storming. Storming. I brought my swimmers. What the heck? But, what the heck? I literally brought Archie and my swimmers to go for a swim. But we're just gonna probably, I can just drive back after this because yuck. Which sucks. Yeah, the traffic is really bad, so we've only got home and showered now. It's 6:40. And I'm exhausted. Whatever, today I booked my car in for the mechanic because I've now decided that I'm taking my car to Perth as well. Because I kind of was just like, oh, I'll just leave it here and then, you know, get it shipped over when I need it. But I think I'm gonna need it. We're gonna have dinner now. I'm probably gonna say goodnight and talk to you. Next time I'll talk to you will be tomorrow afternoon because I've got an early start at work tomorrow. I've come home and showered, as you can probably tell. I feel like that's all I say in my vlogs is I'm home and showered and I'm about to have dinner. I'm not about to have dinner. I've got to put like 3 loads of my laundry away, and I've just put another load on because I need my work pants again for tomorrow. I don't know if I mentioned, but I'm working 6 days this week, so that's so fun. I just went and saw Mum. It was really good seeing her. Trying to see her as much as I can before I freaking leave. How's the lighting? That's a bit better. Before I leave her, because she's like my best friend. So that's really sad. But yes, that was nice. I'm also seeing them on Friday night. I'm going to the boat for dinner. Just to catch up because I haven't seen them. I haven't seen Dad in a while. Anyway, just to see them as often as I can see them before I go. But I literally have nothing to say. My brain is empty. I'm just gonna put laundry away. So cue that montage. Maybe I'll time lapse it. Thanks for watching me do that because otherwise I wouldn't have done it.
She made me do it.
I didn't.
It was her idea and she made me do it.
You already know what it is. It's walk time. I just finished. What's wrong with your back foot? I just finished work. I had a shower and needed a shower. Oh, look and talk. Crazy. Archie hasn't walked since Saturday, so he's due for it. I just have to fill my water bottle. So it's crazy. But yeah, I just finished work and tomorrow's my day off. Yeah. Yeah. I just need to get outside. I need to get outside. So that's exciting as well. Okay, I'm coming. Bye. Oh yeah, having a little swim. So they can't regrow, or they can't go on Archie's feet. So maybe I'll try and do that tomorrow. And sausages. And I've got these like sesame oil beans that I'm gonna make with like chili and stuff. And then there'll be some pumpkin as well. Do I want slices or chunks? I'll just do chunks because it's easier. Whatever, I'm making a cookie pie. I have a cookie pie. I'm also gonna have some milk. Oh, good morning. Oh, I'm trying to get the motivation to go to the gym. I have been scrolling on TikTok for the last hour, but you know, what's a girl meant to do? But I'm putting my shoes on. I'm also I put on low like ankle socks, which I don't normally wear, but I couldn't be bothered going downstairs to get my clean ones. So that's, oh my goodness, that's what we're doing. I have a day off today, don't know if you've heard. So I'm trying not to put a whole heap of pressure I'm trying not to put pressure on myself to do a whole heap of stuff and like to write a list and be productive and blah 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 and stuff like that. There's definitely stuff I could do, but we'll just see how I go. I think if I go to the gym, I'll be pretty happy with myself. I've got heaps of bookmarked episodes to listen to, so I might listen to a bookmarked episode. Let's go do it. I'm not going to film in the gym. I'm not going to put that. It's too scary. I'll tell you what I do after. Hey guys, I went to the gym just for like 40 minutes and it was good. I just did legs, mostly like hammies. That's what I'm trying to, when I do go in, that's what I'm trying to focus on. I feel like it's important. Anyway, now I'm like, yeah, let's go. I can do everything today and be really productive. So I'm kind of telling myself that this morning I'll be productive, and then by the time I have lunch, I'll switch off for the day, sort of thing. So in saying that, look at our lawn. I literally just got home to our neighbour, which is to bring the front of our house, and I'm embarrassed. So I think I'm gonna whip a snipper, or potentially just mow. I feel like mowing's like easier. Maybe I'll put a singlet on to get some sun. But yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go vote and do groceries and get an acai bowl from Flannery's, I think is the plan for breakfast, because that sounds really yum. goodness. Can I have a look? I did one way, and one way the other way. And then I also just avoided my big pile of weeds that I made. Anyway, shower time. Shower, vote. Groceries. What's the time also? It's only 9:20. That's awesome. Okay, let's go. Got my acai bowl. Sorry, it's literally pitch black.
For example, build a shed.
Well, because they're German.
They're German. This would be simple.
If it's hailing, I don't think...
It is easier to send the Messerschmitt into the clouds.